Hey guys, so today we're going to learn how to manage your material stock on YAYSHOP app. From our YAYSHOP's homepage, we go to settings and we turn on the stock management tab on. Let's move to our products tab and select any of the products that we have and go to the options by clicking on the three dots. Select manage stock and the page will take you to a place where you can manage your variant stocks. For every variant of the product, I am selecting and mentioning the stock I have for the product. Adding the stock number ensures that I do not get orders more than the amount of product I really have. Press Save Info to save the stock amount. In case you haven't done this and your product gets out of stock, what you can do is you go to the three dots of any product and scroll down and turn on the Out of Stock tab and Save Info. Suppose you have few products which can be ordered only in a minimum of certain amount. So what you do is you go to the settings and you turn on the minimum order quantity. Then go to products, manage stock, and for each of the variant or to that product you mention what is the order quantity that the customer has to order minimum so that he can buy that product. After that, press Save Info. Let's go and check out how it's going to look on our website. I have put stock of this order as only one. So let's see if I add more than one, what will happen. Proceed and see it's showing only one remaining. So I'll have to reduce it down to one. Let's see how our minimum order quantity item looks like. I have mentioned minimum quantity 2. So when I add to cart, it shows that minimum quantity needs to be 2. Let's also check the case in which I have mentioned that the product is out of stock. In this product, you can clearly see it's written product is out of stock. Also, if you check out with the wrong number of items in the cart, these are the kind of errors you'll get. For example, minimum purchase quantity of anarkali is 2 or only one anarkali remaining. In today's video, we've learned how to manage stock using stock management tool, using minimum order quantity, and also how to turn on the out of stock button. I hope this video helped. Thank you. Bye.